This section is actually a story I am personally in love with. It's about a young, ambitious and dreamy couple in their early 20s, Mimi and Alex. They are getting married. They always wanted to have a business, so they both tried to start a project alone and both failed. For her wedding day, Mimi was looking for hair extensions, and she was not satisfied with the best ones she found, and she was upset about it. Alex, having no idea about the existence of hair extensions, asked her what that was and kept asking her about the whole hair extensions industry. They decided to make more research about it, which they did, and eventually they found suppliers or manufacturers in another country. So they soon made these very good quality and gorgeous extensions available for sale through their business, which they named Luxy Hair. And then she and her sister Layla started a YouTube channel through which they were sharing hair tutorials, and during their video they wore their own extensions. And in 3 or 4 months their business took off and it became a 7-figure business in its very first year. Now they all enjoy a very beautiful lifestyle of traveling nearly all the time and working from any place they may be at, all while spending quality time together, and now also with their baby Alexa Love. And they also made other products now which are also very successful. So yes, this is so far my favorite business success story, and I really wanted to share it with you because I believe it's very inspiring and it's a good example to look up to. In the next lecture we are going to discuss what to learn from it, so don't go anywhere.